How to fix Fortnite stuck on checking for updates on PC. So you want to open up your Epic Games. Go into your library. Now here, you want to find Fortnite. Click on the three dots and then select Manage. Now, where it says Installation, click on the folder icon. From here, what we're gonna do is click on Fortnite game, then Binaries, Windows 64 or 86. And here from this list, you want to find Fortnite client, right click, show more options, properties. Now you want to go into the compatibility tab and check these options. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. Repeat the same process for the Fortnite launcher as well. Right click, show more options, properties, compatibility, and these options. Run this program, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and this should fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, what you have to do is go back into your library, find Fortnite, click on the three dots, click on manage, and you want to verify your file. So just click on verify, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.